So this is the GLAKER trimmer grooming kit, and I am going to show you my first haircut. I'm going to talk a little bit here and there, but for the most part I'll be quiet. But I'll just tell you some of the things that were really helpful. So this little T-bar, first of all, that first piece was, I actually came back to that later. It's a great piece. But now let me go to the traditional beard head trimmer. I put a guard on it. This is a 12mm guard. And it took a little bit off, you can tell. Which actually, when I'm kind of wanting a fuller beard, obviously you can go fuller than this, but like when I'm wanting a fuller beard, this 12 just kind of gets to that place where it feels trimmed up and neat. So I liked that. After a while though, I dropped down to the 9mm because if I'm really going to get to cleaning my beard, I went to need a little bit shorter. So I went to the 9 and went ahead and just did the whole beard. And I think 9 is great. It's kind of nice to know that I also have a 6mm and a 3mm in the bag if I really want to go short. But usually, especially in the winter, I kind of range in that 9 to 12mm range. But anyway, that's totally up to you. All right, so there's the head trimmer. I told you I'm not going to talk the whole way through, so I'll just kind of be quiet from time to time. But so far, so good. Love it. Okay, then I switched over, took the guard off, and just did a little cleanup around the mustache. And then the neck, again, these adapters, you have lots of different options. The T-bar would have been just fine here. I already had this one on, so I did it, and it went really, really well. One thing I will point out is, like right now I'm holding the blade in this angle. It didn't really matter how I held the blade. It just didn't hurt. It, like, you know, some just grab and poke at the skin. This one just felt very, very comfortable. So like right here, like dragging that didn't hurt. And so just I'm going to that extreme. I don't usually cut like that, but just to prove the point that it didn't hurt. All right, then the nose hair and ear hair trimmer. That's kind of a nice little adapter. Then I put this foil on. If you never used a foil razor, man, welcome to perfection. It gets just a little closer. You can hear it. I mean, it's just a little closer. I love foil razors. Was really glad that I had that adapter on there. Use that up around the eyebrows as well, like in the unibrow area. You can shave off little hairs, so that foil razor is great. Also, you can do it in your ears, on your ears. When you get old like me, you start getting hair in places that you're not supposed to have. So there you go, that foil razor is great. All right, this is that cloth, like the barbershop cloth. It velcros around your neck, and then it actually suction cups to the mirror. So all this hair is now getting caught in the little bib that I'll show you later, and it is just flying off everywhere, but it's getting caught. So my wife really likes that because I'm not leaving a big mess. So that is a big plus. You can see how much is coming off. Again, this is very comfortable. I think that was the big shock. Like some of my other razors, like, you know, a blade will get loose or like a tooth will get loose and it just feels like it's like always going to jab you and it kind of hurts. This was very comfortable. So pleased with that. I'm not sure how long the battery lasts, but this is my first full haircut, and I feel like it's going to last a long time. Maybe it's in the description, I just missed it, but very pleased with the battery life. I think I remember it took 2 hours to charge, and it was going to be good for like 2 hours and 40 minutes or something like that. So I feel like the battery is never going to be an issue. All right, there you go. There's the haircut. Now I'm going to put some of these things back. This is that T-bar. I actually did my eyebrows with it a little bit, trimmed around the edges of my mustache, down on the neckline. This T-bar actually got a little bit closer than did the head trimmer that I used to cut everything. So maybe I could have just cut everything with the T-bar. I might try that next time. But I really like that. It's just very functional and gets close. Big fan of the T-bar. So anyway, let's see what else I got here. All right, let me show you how much has come off with the beard and the hair. And then that's that bib. Like, probably called a hairdresser cloth or something, but I like it. It's suction cups. It is so good. So all in all, really happy with this GLAKER beard trimmer. This is a honest review from a product that was sent to me for free. I do videos like this all the time, and so this is my honest review, but I did want you to know that I did not purchase the item, but I certainly would, and I would recommend it. Now I'm just going to finish up with a quick unboxing. I have a separate unboxing video as well with more commentary, but I'll just show you everything that comes in the box. That is helpful. Tons of attachments. 4 guards, 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, and 12mm. I actually, the first time through the haircut, I did a 12mm, then I dropped down to a 9mm. It's cool to know that I also have a 6 and a 3, so I can get even closer. Everything pops on and off, really easy. Very pleased with it. Just feels really great. It's affordable. It's really affordable. So anyway, if you're looking for a good grooming kit, I'd highly recommend this one. It's really cool. The case is super cool too. Instruction manual's nice. I don't think you really need it. It's pretty self-explanatory, but it is nice. Everything about it, really impressed. The comb, the brushes for just cleaning your guards and stuff. The guards just washed off in water really nicely. Anyway, again, 3, 6, 9, 12. I like it. Very affordable, good quality, very impressed. And I will be using this from now on. Hope that helps. Again, this was sent to me for an honest review, and that is my honest review.